I am David Lobo from Deejay Coconut Breeding Farms. What is the lifespan of the Deejay Sampoorna hybrid coconut palm? I really don't know for a fact. And we're not talking about age only, but its commercial lifespan. I don't know for a fact because our oldest palms are not yet 30 years old and doing very well. Generally, the first hybrids produced in the world were by Dr. J.S. Patil in the Indian Council of Scientific Research in India in 1934. And those palms which were first produced did very well till 60 years. We don't know whether every hybrid will perform in the same way. I do believe that one should get good commercial production from the Deejay Sampoorna for 50 years plus, and the life of that tree will go on as the talls, 100 years or more. However, I would like to add that don't wait for 30 or 40 or 50 years. Look for the next best hybrid coming out in the marketplace. We are constantly researching on improving the hybrid. We hope in 30 years to give a hybrid that's producing 400 or 500 nuts per tree per year, well worth removing the older palms and replanting with the newest hybrid.